First, let's take a look at the general layout of the home page of the website. The most important feature is the project price calculator, which can be accessed from here, or here. After accessing the page, you will be presented with 3 options. Each one has a certain price range based on the quality of renders that you want. In this example, we are going to choose the intermediate level, being the most popular option amongst our clients. The first 2 choices are explained in the bar next to it. For instance, if you choose a photoreal image with the interior option, this would be your example. Next, you will have to choose the size of your project based on the built surface area. After that, choose the deadline for your project to be finished. Please be aware that the deadline will not change the estimated price. Then you will have to choose your render type and the rest of the imagery quality options, which are quite forward. Finally, you may choose if you want your final renders to be placed in a poster or not. This estimated price does not represent an accurate price for your project, as explained in this disclaimer. If you find yourself wondering how we will finish your project, you may visit this webpage, which explains the complete process. After that, please provide a detailed description for your project and upload all of your project files in one compressed file as advised here, or you will be faced with an error while submitting. In this tab, please write all of your personal information so we can contact you back. After submitting, you will receive a detailed invoice within the next 24 hours along with the instructions for the next step. You may contact us directly using the provided contact informations or the contacting form presented at the bottom of all the pages of the website. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.